High performers aren't smarter than you. They run different software. Same brain, different settings. These are the 10 mindsets behind the top 1%, the 10 times operating system, and you can install every one. The 10th rewrites the other 9. Let's boot up. Module 1. Growth over perfection. Perfect is the enemy of shipped. Chase progress. Treat failure as feedback, not a flaw. 1% better daily compounds to 37 times better in a year. Module 1. Loaded. Module 2. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is a guest. Discipline pays the rent. Act on the schedule, not the mood. Decide once, and the daily debate disappears. Module 2. Loaded. Module 3. Extreme ownership. If it's everyone's fault, it's no one's problem, and nothing changes. Take the wheel, not the market, not the timing, not them. You. Then ask, what could I do better? Module 3. Loaded. Foundation complete. Module 4. Long-term thinking. Everyone wants the decade. Almost no one will be bored for a Tuesday. Trade today's comfort for the 10-year position. Ask any choice, will this matter in 5 years? If not, it's noise. Module 4. Loaded. Module 5. Feedback is fuel. Feedback is data, not a verdict. It stings. Swallow it anyway. Information, not insult. Find the note that hurts and act on it within 24 hours. Module 5. Loaded. Module 6. Focus is a superpower. Focus isn't doing more, it's refusing more. One distraction costs you 23 minutes to recover. That's UC Irvine. Guard one deep block a day. Let nothing in. Module 6. Loaded. System complete. Module 7. Confidence is built, not given. Confidence isn't the entry fee, it's the receipt. You don't wait to feel ready. You act, the proof stacks up, and belief comes last. Do the rep you're scared of today. Module 7. Loaded. Module 8. Energy beats time. You don't have a time problem, you have an energy problem. 8 tired hours lose to 90 sharp minutes. Your focus runs in waves, about 90 minutes. Manage the wave, not the clock. Module 8. Loaded. Module 9. Purpose drives performance. Pressure asks, or else? Purpose asks, so that? Pressure burns out, purpose refuels. Write your real reason down. Read it when you want to quit. Module 9. Loaded. One module left, and it runs all the rest. Module 10. Identity shapes action. The kernel. This rewrites the other 9. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your identity. Every action is a vote for who you become. Don't do what they do. Be who they are. Module 10. Loaded. Growth. Discipline. Ownership. Long-term. Feedback. Focus. Confidence. Energy. Purpose. Identity. 10 mindsets. The 10 times operating system. Online. You didn't just learn how they think. You've been thinking like one. Most people scroll away and stay the same. The few who subscribe are the ones who change. Subscribe.